Hello everybody, welcome. This is our Shumatt's live streaming. I'm Caitlin. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts, and today I would like to show you our hot sealing valve assembly. Let's take a look. Firstly, the blue VCI anti-rust bag, and here this is the label. The first line is our Shumatt's brand, and the product code is F00RJ02472. For the logo, label, packages, etc., we can support customized service. Let's take a look for the inside. Inside of it is this kind of transparent bottles, can be better prevent some hurt during the transportation. Inside is the oil paper to wrap it up, and for this valve assembly, each product we supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of our customers, if you are not set with the quality, we can return or exchange. For this valve assembly, it's China-made brand new 120 series. The product code is F00RJ02472. It's applicable for 0445120 The valve cap, there is coating figures here. The valve rods. If you want to clean it with the oil, don't clean with the water for this valve assembly. So much for this one. At last, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.